Hi, this is Chuck Hughes. In today's video, I'd like to discuss the dividend strategy, which is a fairly simple strategy to implement. And I like to purchase stock in dividend-paying companies that have a consistent record of increasing their dividends. And when I receive a dividend, I like to reinvest the dividend in additional shares in the company. And this allows me to compound my returns. And over time, this strategy can provide a very good return with relatively low risk. And I'm showing you my current dividend portfolio, and this is a well-diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. And currently, I have $93,000 in open trade profits. An average return of 84%, and this portfolio is currently yielding an annual yield of 18%. Now, the copy of my brokerage confirmations I'm displaying now show that I recently collected over $42,000 in cash dividends. And next we'll take a look at the power of compounding by reinvesting your dividends in additional shares of stock. This can be a very powerful compounding strategy that can produce an excellent return over time. Now, as I mentioned, my dividend portfolio currently has an 18.1% annual yield. So let's take a look at the results for investing these dividends on a quarterly basis in additional shares of stock, which would allow us to compound our return. So after 4 years, if we reinvested dividends, it would allow us to double our initial investment. So after 4 years, we'd have a 100% return. And in the table I'm displaying, I'm showing the results for reinvesting dividends, and you can see after 1 year we'd have a 19% yield, after 3 years we'd have a 28% yield, and after 5 years we'd have a 40% yield. So this demonstrates how powerful the compounding strategy is. A 40% yield after 5 years, that's a great return, and this is a great strategy for retirement accounts if you want to create an income stream. And all the results I just mentioned are assuming that the dividend is not raised. And of course, I like to invest in stocks that have a long history of consistently raising their dividends. And of course, these results would be much better if the stocks raise their dividends on a consistent basis. Now, I make trade recommendations for companies that have a long history of consistently raising their dividends through my Inner Circle advisory service. I have a dividend portfolio, and I'm displaying the current open trade profit results for the Inner Circle advisory, and we can see the dividend portfolio currently has $158,000 in open trade profits, an average return of 66.2%. So the dividend portfolio has been performing very well. And if you'd like updated profit results for the Inner Circle advisory service, just log on to chuckhughesic.com. This is Chuck Hughes. I want to thank you for listening, and I wish you the best in investing success.